It's the day before KICKSGiving, and I've got the team with me. We've got some errands to run before we go to the church. As I told y'all before, we are not only giving away sneakers, coats, and clothing to the community, but my beautiful wife decided to also feed the community as well. We're going to hit up Burlington and Ross to get some last minute pickups, and then we're going to go to the church to put everything together and make it look nice and all that stuff like that. So come along with us. This should be a good day. We are at Ross right now, and we're going to look to see what kind of deals we can find. We only have $200 to spend on shoes, so we're going to be as selective as possible to try to get as many pairs as possible.
Yeah, right there.
Team.
Come on.
Raleigh.
Oh, come on, dude.
Wake up, guys. Come on, sleepyhead. Really want to get some more shoes for kids and women, just because I didn't know where to start with getting shoes. I immediately went to what I'm used to and what was like the best available, and that was the men's shoes at Burlington. But let's see what we can find. Sauconys, these are fly, but they're also $50. Got these platform Converses, very, very nice. These are $45 though. Fila right here, $25. That's looking more like it. Those are fire. Yeah, you're gonna get fired trying to wear them.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Got these pink Filas for $25. These are not bad. There are a lot of nice choices here. Can't go wrong with a pair of Prestos. But these prices here are not working in our favor. We need like 20 and below if we want to get more shoes, because we only have $200 to spend. But it's a lot of nice shoes here. Throwing it back with the creative expressions.
What these? I know. They're like $11.99. They're on sale. $19.99.
Alright, that's a go. Mickey shoes, you think? How much are the Mickey shoes? 16. These are like really kitty shoes. Put those back though. This is what the cart is looking like. All of this is $178. So we have $22 left to spend. I was thinking about these Fila over here. This is $25, so maybe not. And it's another pair of $25. Where did we get the Mickeys? Look at these little Prestos. Oh my God. I want them. Why are shoes so expensive all the time? 20. Oh, these Filas right here. We about to get these. About to throw it back for somebody. We are going to wrap up here. We're going to pay. Thank you to everybody who donated. Even if you're watching this and still want to give, the church's cash app is ATHPWC, and you can always send a donation so that we can continue this. Next year we're going to do it even bigger and better, and we're just going to keep on growing because God has put us in a great position to be a blessing. So we want to continue to do that, because only what you do for Christ will last, and it's better to give than receive. Cart is complete. What you get? Oh, nice. And you got a birthday coming up too, right? How old are you going to be?
3.
No. Next number. How old are you going to be? What comes after 3?
1.
Nope.
2.
Nope. Nope. Yep. There you go. Took us a while, but we got it. We got the 10 right here. Big bug. The total with tax was $230 and some change. So nice score for charity. Pray that people are blessed by these shoes. We did hit up Burlington really quickly, but we soon came to find out that they were pretty much tapped out, and they just really had a lot of the other stuff that we had picked up the last time we were here when we first started Kick Shopping. We have wrapped it up and are about to head back to the church to drop these things off and to do some final sorting and organization so that we can be prepared for tomorrow morning. This is the church according to His Purpose Ministries in South Hill, Virginia, and preparations are underway. Y'all see all the stuff that we have. Those are all the shoes that we were able to collect, all the clothes and stuff, and we still got more bags to sort through and get cleaned up before we launch off tomorrow. I could not have done this without my family, because they're definitely holding it down. When you got a good woman, she's gonna make sure that she holds you down. Not hold you up, hold you down, and make sure that you're taken care of and support your dreams and ambitions.
Do you have any account with us?
I do.
What's your phone number?
So we went on Facebook Live to let everybody locally know what was going on. And while we were on Facebook Live, we got another $100 donation. So what you saw was me hitting up Hibbit to see what they had. And they had like 4 pairs of sneakers for $10 each. Some Champion like boot joints. And they were really nice quality. So we picked those up. And the only other spot worth hitting up at this point for something cheap would be Walmart. So we're at Walmart getting the famous Avia trainers for the ladies, and I think that's going to be it. We're about to go back to the church real quick and we'll do a full recap of everything that we were able to get. The goal was 100 pairs of sneakers, and we're going to count to see how many we have right now. Sneakers and footwear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56 pairs of sneakers and footwear to give away to who is ever in need. We raised over $800 in donations. People are just being kind and just giving. I appreciate everybody who has contributed to this cause. This is the start of something new. So tag who you need to tag. Let's make this an annual thing that gets bigger and bigger every time. So y'all see all the sweaters, shirts, women's pants. We got dress clothes for kids. We got some coats here. Got some blouses, some shorts, even though it's not in season. And this is the kids table, young adult and kids. Got a whole bunch of stuff, coats and dresses, to get people looking fly. It has always been my dream to do one of these types of events and just be a blessing, because God has been such a blessing in my life and people have poured into me, and it's only right that we pay it forward. We will let you guys know how everything went. Catch y'all in the next one. Live life led by God. Love the journey. Peace.